wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi, welcome to another mukbang. I'm Lisa and today I have some KFC. I'm really excited. I've actually really been craving KFC, which is kind of a rare thing for me. But I wanted to get their sauce nuggets, their new sauce nuggets. But unfortunately when I went to order them, they weren't on the menu for my location. So yeah, I just got their regular nuggets and got some honey mustard, some honey barbecue, and some honey on the side. So, and then that wasn't enough, so I got a large fry. The new 4-piece, they also have 10-piece I believe of this, the apple pie poppers. I'm really excited for that. A biscuit that came with the 2-piece chicken, the breast and wing, and coleslaw. I'm really excited for all of this. Let me open a couple of the sauces and take a thumbnail maybe and we'll get in. Oh, and also I got their Blackberry lemonade that I think is like they said it's back. I don't know if it's for a limited time or to stay, but it's back, and blackberry lemonade sounds amazing to me, so that's what I'm gonna be eating or drinking. Anyway, let's dig in. Okay, where should I start? I kind of want to start with some of the chicken. Oh. Do you hear that crunch? This is extra crispy, by the way. If you've watched some of my KFC mukbangs before, I like their coleslaw with the fries. I don't know that I've been this excited for a mukbang in a while. That's absolutely delicious. Okay, now let's do some fries. That's too many. No, that's not. And then we're gonna get a little piece of chicken. And a little bit of coleslaw. And get some of that sauce. Cheers, guys. Wow. Ow, that's hot. Honey mustard. Let's put some honey on a bun. On the biscuit. Am I centered, y'all? Like, isn't this a big wing, you guys? Like, or a big breast? Like, huge, I feel like, for KFC. Wow. Just made a mess doing that, but it was worth it. I'm gonna have to vacuum in here. How did I miss a dip for you guys? Have I done that in a while? Little, your head is in the way. It may be little, but it's still in the way. And there's a piece of chicken in there. Oh! Whoops. Let me clean that up. There we go. Okay, let's try one of these nuggets. in the honey mustard. Although you would like. Need to get. You're distracting me, my girl. Hang on, you guys. Really, Bubba? Okay, now apple pie popper. You know, I've really been craving some chocolate lately, and I was thinking to get a dessert, and I was like, well, I'm already getting this, so. I do think that's pretty good. Oh, I was supposed to be putting some honey on my biscuit, huh? Oh. It's so clear for honey. Why they call it honey sauce. Delicious though. You guys, I have exciting news. It's exciting for me, okay? But I finished my first book since coming back to California. And if you remember in my other mukbangs, or if you haven't watched them, I talked about how I've been struggling to keep focus on books because of all the stuff going on in my life right now. If you don't know what's going on, go watch my life day update video that I posted a few weeks ago at this point. That will sum it up for you. And finally, I was able to focus enough to finish the book that I had started all the way back in Texas. It's called Master of Salt and Bones. This man is like known for being like the town villain or psychopath, or I don't know. You know, they consider him like a monster, but it's all like rumors. And they're a really rich family and everything. And this girl goes to work for him. And it's a romance. But it's like, it's dark, you guys. It's very dark. There is some sexual depictions in it. Cheeto, you need to get down too. Chicken. Let me put some honey on that. Need to put some honey on that. But I really enjoyed it. Jessica and I were buddy reading it together. When I finally finished it, I was actually ahead of her quite a bit. She reads multiple books at a time though. I don't. I'm not that capable yet. And she then passed me and finished it because I had been going through everything. And she really wanted to finish it, and I wasn't about to stop her just because I couldn't keep up. Cheeto. You guys, these tags. Come on. But yeah, if you do like adult content, like mature audience books, and would like to read something like that, definitely check that one out. And you know, I also asked for a side of that new sauce, the sweet and sour sticky chicky one, and they didn't give me that either. So they didn't have that on the menu, and they didn't have that sauce, so I don't know. Weird. But that's so good. And I'm actually going to try a piece of chicken on some fries. These fries is a lot. Come out, sir. Thank you. They packed it. Thank you. They knew they couldn't give me this, what I wanted. Okay, we're gonna do honey. Actually, I need to open a new pack. You need to get down. I'm happy that I brought one that's slightly, a little towel that's slightly wet in here that I normally wipe my hands on, because I knew that it was going to be a little bit messy with my hands today. Excuse me. Oh, first some coleslaw. And some honey. We'll see how this goes. Well, I think I do like it. It's really weird, but I do like it. I'm gonna eat a nugget with some coleslaw and some honey. It's very good. And I finally finished Yellowstone, you guys. I've completed it until they with all the episodes that are out. So yeah, it was so good, you guys. I really enjoyed it. Definitely got more into politics near the end. But I feel like that's the only way that it really could have gone with how they were leading up for a while. So. But I was told by a couple of people that there was like some drama within the cast and crew or something like that. And that's why they didn't complete the season, which if you paid attention to how many episodes were in each one, they're only 2 episodes shy of completing the full 10 episodes that they normally do for a season. So I'm like, that's really not far off. But it's like, why? You couldn't get it together for 2 episodes, guys? Come on. knew I got too much food. Oh wow. See how much of this I do complete. What's in here? That piece of like chicken skin in there. I completed what I was saying, right? You know, there's not much chicken I do this with, but KFC extra crispy I tend to. Quite enjoy it. Honey mustard. I know, everything got honey in it. It was supposed to be like a sweet and sour sauce, their sticky chicky sauce, which would have been a little bit different than these. So I'm really disappointed I didn't get that out of everything, you know? Well, it's okay. But this was still delicious overall. I made really well. Yeah. Let's not complain, huh? Honey sauce. You know, I always, every time I use my teeth, I hear my mom yelling at me in my head. Not to use my teeth. Sorry, Mom. Let's finish the biscuit. I looked at the time on the thing, I was like, there's no way I've been filming for that long. Who knows? Fries and coleslaw. I've been watching, I literally have it paused on my screen over here right now, YouTube, and I was watching, I don't know if you guys also watch like any food competition people or food challenge people, because I do as well. Sometimes not as often as just mukbangers like me that do this type of thing, talking and doing stuff like this, or people that review food. I do kind of do that a lot. But I have Joel Hansen and this other guy. What is it? I don't know. I can't remember his name, but they just did a collab together. And I know I follow him too. Subscribe to him. I just can't remember. I don't want to say it wrong or say the wrong name, but I'm pretty sure I remember it, but I don't know. Anyway, if you plan to go, you'll see it at Joel Hansen's, I'm pretty sure. But I like that they were doing collab together since I subscribed to both of them, which is kind of crazy because in the last couple of years, I think there's been like 3 different collabs between people that are bigger YouTubers that I've actually followed for quite some time, and they got together and I was like, I didn't even think about them collabing together, and I thought it was really cool. But they said like everybody's been asking them for a while. I was like, oh, that's cool. Okay. Come on. Oh. You know, all the liquid tends to pool at the bottom of their coleslaw, so you gotta really stir it often. I guess that's for most coleslaws, but particularly theirs. Doo-doo. This tray gets so messy every time. But let me know if there's any people that you follow, like if you do food challenge or food reviews and mukbangs or anything, any of your favorite YouTubers, because I love to start following new people all the time. I subscribe to a lot of people, but I do watch a lot of YouTube, so yeah. Now I'm just talking a whole bunch. Wow, I'm eating this like wild animal. Okay, I'm full of them. Let me eat one of these. Now, a little bit more filling than I had anticipated them to have. Some. I'm also always so amazed at myself that my taste buds have changed so much, because I really used to not like apple pie anything. Like, I just really did not like it. The texture of the apples, the flavors were not really my favorite, but now it's something that if it's like, oh, apple pie this, I'm like, ooh, I want that. Like, that sounds good. Cherry pie is my absolute favorite, but apple pie, I crave. Like, people tend to make a lot of things like apple pie because it's like classic, so like whenever a fast food item comes out like that, or like, remember those Panda Express apple pie rolls or whatever, apple pie egg roll things? Yeah. I really like that. Cherry pie too. I could do flavors of, or cherry in general is just a really favorite flavor of mine for most of anything. That's another thing. Drop in the comments down below. What are some of your favorite flavors for things, like fruit wise, or yeah, I guess fruit wise, huh? What's your favorite fruit flavor for desserts and stuff? Is that what I mean? Because you could also do, you know, like blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, all the berries, strawberry, kiwi, banana. That's so sad. Sometimes things, whenever I'm speaking, you guys, bring back memories. And I know that I started this channel while I was in my relationship with Kevin. And so I feel like you guys have witnessed some of my marriage with him on here. And just now I said something, and don't know why it reminded me of him, and it's already gone, poof, out of my head, but sometimes it'll just all of a sudden be like that, like, oh yeah, that little bit reminded you of that. It's a little wild and crazy, but I'm doing okay though, you guys. Didn't mean to get everybody down for a moment. But, yeah. I think I'm going to end it here. I love you all so, so much. Thank you so much for joining me on my meals. Please give this video a like, share it, and if you are new here, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!